Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Zubatul Farika, you can call me Rika. Here I am as an MC who will lead the presentation this time. We are here to present our group discussion about medical instrumentation and hospital rooms. Next slide. Before that, here I will introduce our group's member. One is Juliana, study number 11, and then Asma Denaya Sari Yuwono, study number 12, and then Aisyah Fatin Febrianti, study number 13. Next slide. And Ali Hussein Sahab, study number 14. And then the last one is Ms. Batul Farika, study number 16. Next slide. The first is the definition of medical instrument relates to physiological measurement for diagnostic, therapeutic, and monitoring application. Medical instrumentation include application areas such as cardiology, lung function, cerebral and muscular signals, surgery and anesthesiology, ultrasound, and specialized devices for infants and neonates. Next slide.
Next is otoscope. Otoscope is an instrument designed for visual examination of the eardrum and the passage of the outer ear, typically having a light and a set of lenses. Clinicians use it during routine wellness, physical exams, and the evaluation of specific ear complaints. Now for the components of an otoscope, basically it's divided into two, head and handle. The head consists of light speculum and magnifying lens, while the handle consists of power switch and battery cover. Types of otoscope. Otoscopes may be categorized in one of three types. One, pocket. Pocket otoscope were intentionally designed to fit in a pocket and are lighter and less bulky than the other otoscope, while the full size, more substantial in size and weight than pocket otoscope. And the third is video, specifically designed to interface with a computer or monitor to project, capture, store, and email high quality image and or video.
And then speculum, this is speculum for the vaginal. This disposable speculum function as a vaginal opening tool for cervical expansion. This tool has a plastic material that is only used once. The speculum is usually called a ductotor because its shape resembles a duck bill. The second is speculum for noise. A nasal speculum is a metal device that resembles pliers or size core. It has two grip points that, when squeezed together, spread open an area at the tip of the speculum. Two round blades come together to form a circle.
Next, alcohol swab. Alcohol swab is one of the medical devices in the form of antiseptic alcohol cotton or tissue used for cleaning wounds and cleaning medical instruments. In addition, it can also be used for injection, antiseptic, injection, blood collection, removing stitches, or other action that require antiseptics. General indication is antiseptic for pre-injection, UV insertion, blood collection, suture removal, and any other production that require an antiseptic. Next, composition alcohol. Next, use rules apply to the site to be injection, to warm from injection or blood collection, as well as a medical device.
Next is goniometer. Goniometry is concerned with the measurements of angles, specifically angles generated from the joints of bones in the human body. A goniometer is a device that measures an angle or permits the rotation of an object to a definite position. There are three types of range of motion. The first one is passive, active, and active assistive. Next. Indications. Presence of dysfunction related to muscle, tendons, or joints, establishing a diagnosis, developing treatment goals, evaluating progress or the lack of it, modify treatment based on the progress, fabricating orthosis, measurement for research purpose. Next. Types of goniometer is universal goniometer. There comes in two forms, short arm and long arm. The short arm goniometer is used for smaller joint like the wrist, elbow, or ankle. The long arm goniometer are more accurate for joints with long levers like the knee and hip joints. And then there is twin axis electrogoniometer, gravity goniometer or inclinometer, software or smartphone-based goniometer. Next.
Okay, next is thermometer. For definition, a thermometer is a medical device used to measure body temperature. For function, measure human body temperature to find out whether someone has a fever or not. Type of thermometer is the most accurate. One rectal thermometer reading will be around higher than oral temperature readings. Two tympanic thermometer reading are typically higher than oral temperature reading. Three axillary thermometer reading can be lower than oral temperature reading and may be the least reliable. Four temporal thermometer reading are lower than oral temperature reading.
Yeah.
Next is hospital rooms. Definition: a process of collection, processing, and presenting hospital data through Indonesia. This information system covers all public and specialist hospital, but public and privately managed. Purpose: to formula policies in the file of hospitalization, presenting hospital information nationally, to monitor, control, and evaluate the origination of hospital national.
ICU or intensive care unit. The definition is a special room for critical patient who needs intensive treatment and continuous observation. When intensive care is needed if someone is seriously ill and requires intensive treatment and close monitoring, or if they are having a surgery and intensive care can help them recover. Some common reasons include a serious accident, such as road accident, a severe head injury, a serious fall, or severe burns, a serious short-term condition, such as heart attack or stroke, and a serious infection such as sepsis or severe pneumonia or major surgery. This can either be a planned part of your recovery or an emergency measure if there are complications. Equipment that may be used on an ICU includes a ventilator, a machine that helps with breathing, a tube is placed in the mouth, nose, or through a small cut in the throat. Monitoring equipment used to measure important bodily functions such as heart rate, blood pressure, and the level of oxygen in the blood. IV lines and pumps, tubes inserted into a vein, feeding tubes placed in the nose through a small cut made in the tummy or into a vein if a person is unable to eat normally. Drains and catheter. Drains are tubes used to remove any buildup of blood or fluid from the body. Catheters are a thin tube inserted into the bladder to drain pee.
I get it. The definition is the emergency room, and ER are actually both used to treat patients who are in emergency situation and need immediate treatment. The difference is that the emergency department or ER is larger than the emergency unit. The function is to provide emergency patient healthy service 24-hour counseling continuously and continuously, including manage emergency service, carry out disaster preparedness service, carry out emergency education and training. Next.
Hemodialysis room definition is a room for the services of patients who require dialysis treatment due to kidney damage that prevents them from filtering blood normally. What is hemodialysis? Hemodialysis is the process of cleansing the blood of accumulated metabolic products such as ureum and other toxic substances. Hemodialysis is indicated for patients with end-stage renal failure or patients with acute illness requiring short-term dialysis or some form of poisoning. Next. Purpose 1 is replace the function of the kidneys in the excretory function, which is to remove metabolic waste in the body, such as ureum, creatinine, and other metabolic waste. Replaces the function of the kidneys in excreting body fluids that should be excreted as urine when the kidneys are healthy. Improve the quality of life of patients with decreased kidney function while waiting for other treatment programs. Component of hemodialysis room is, of course, dialysis machine and dialyzer. Next.
Next, pharmacy room for definition, place for receiving, storing, distributing, and maintaining supply in the form of medicine, medical device, and other health supplies. For function, 1. Drug information service, 2. Medication delivery, 3. Puer compounding, 4. Medication prescribing, next, drugstore, next, medication administration to patient and labeling, next, providing information on side effect of drug, next, providing information on storing medicine at home.
Thank you for your attention. Hopefully it will be helpful. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank
Sampun,
you, guys.